Hello everyone, welcome to Hit and Miss. Today we are making pizza from scratch. First we will make the dough. You have to add 1 cup of flour and half a cup of activated yeast water with salt. I'm just kneading it in the food processor. So it took me around 5 minutes. Once the dough is done, just place it in a container and let it rest for around 2 to 3 hours and let it proof. Ensure that you keep it in a warm place and not in direct sunlight.
Now let's make the sauce, for which I have placed some tomatoes in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. I made a particular cross cut on the tomatoes so that we can peel them easily. Now we are peeling the tomatoes because we don't want any peels in the sauce. Once you have peeled tomatoes, now we will make the sauce, for which we need a blender. In a blender I have 1 onion and 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Now we are going to add the peeled tomatoes and make a puree. It should look something like this. Once you are done with that, now we will add extra virgin olive oil to the pan and the tomato puree that we made. Simmer it for around 5 minutes and then we will add our spices, salt and Kashmiri red chili pepper.
Then add some pizza mix. Then add some red chili flake. Then add some oregano.
Once done with that, simmer the sauce for around 10 to 15 minutes until the consistency is good to go. It should look something like this. Once done with that, we will check on the dough, which has proofed and it is double in its size, which means it is good to go. Now we'll make a flour bed and put the dough on it and just flatten it out with our hands in a circle. Once done with that, transfer the dough to baking sheet or baking pan, whatever you are using. After transferring, we will just prick the dough with a fork like this.
Now we will add the sauce that we made. Spread it nicely. Be generous. Now we will add the cheese. Here I am adding mozzarella cheese first and then I am adding shredded cheddar. You can use any cheese of your choice. Now I am adding some tomatoes, some onions, and last but not the least, capsicum. Adding a bit of cheese on the top. It is completely optional. Now we'll bake the pizza in preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. It should be done. If you have a high power oven, it should be done in like 10 to 12 minutes.
And then we have a pizza which is done nicely, and let's cut it and enjoy. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
See you in the next one. Bye.